Guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are all doing well. I am back today with a makeup tutorial, and this one I'm going to swing into a voiceover just because I'm feeling like a little bit under the weather, and I don't know, I just want to sit here and like do my makeup and just listen to music, and I figured I'd go ahead and film this for you guys. But also I'm really excited because I finally got a backdrop situation. Like you can kind of see like the light lit up there. I need like a stronger light. But anyways, so I want to start, and let me also know what your thoughts are on this, but I want to have this type of background when I'm doing makeup videos, like makeup tutorials, looks, like testing new makeup, anything that is makeup related. I want to start having like these like backdrop situations. So let me know if you guys like this one. I wanted to give it a go and see how it went. And then when I do more of like the talk through videos, like empties or my favorites or anything where I'm like not doing makeup, I'm going to switch it back to the more lifestyle. I feel like it's a little bit more like laid back. It's kind of like you're in my room with me. And also, if you're new here, my name is Alicia. I would love for you to subscribe if you like this video. I do have more content on my channel. I upload pretty much every week. And yeah, I'd love to have you part of our family here on YouTube. And if you are returning, thanks so much for stopping by again. I really appreciate it. And without further ado, I guess let's just jump into it. Okay guys, so I already moisturized with my Touch and Soul Glassy Face Balm, and to start off this look, I'm actually going to go in and do my brows first. And if you guys haven't seen it, I did recently do a video where I switched up my makeup routine, like the steps in my makeup routine, and I started off with brows in that video, and I kind of liked it, so I've been rolling with it. The only thing that I have to say is they look so harsh when you don't have any other like makeup on. They just look a little bit intense, but like I promise it does come together in the end, so don't be alarmed. And then I'm going in and working on the skin. I'm going to prime my face with the NYX pore filler. I used to love this, and I'm going to bring this back. And then while that's working, I'm going to go ahead and start the eyes and conceal with my Milani Conceal and Perfect Concealer, just to prime and even out my lids to prepare them for the eyeshadows. And we're going in with the Huda Beauty New Nude palette, and just taking that peachy shade to set the concealer, then going in with the shade Teddy there and popping this in the crease. I want to keep this eye look pretty simple and soft today, so then I'm just going to go in with that glitter shade on the top here and put that all over my lid. And I like to use these with just my finger just for a softer look, and then I will in a minute here just take a small brush like right here and just get a little bit more closer to that inner corner and bringing up just a little bit more in the crease area, but not too far up. It just looks so pretty and like soft. And then I'm going to go on skin. You guys know I love my Believe Beauty from the Dollar General store. I mixed two shades because I do have a little bit of self-tanner on in this video. My light was a little harsh. I was actually, I swear, like 2 shades darker than this, so I have to mess with the lighting, you know, with my new backdrop. But I also, in that video where I switched up my makeup routine, I love that brush that I used around my brows. And then to conceal, using my L'Oreal Infallible Concealer and the Milani, mixing those together. And then I'm just going to set it with my Maybelline Fit Me powder. I love just setting everything. I just feel like it makes it so soft and smooth looking. But just to finish up the lower lash line, going in with that Teddy shade again that we put in the crease, popping that on the lower lash line. And then I'm jamping. But yeah, and also just be careful. Just make sure you're kind of like pressing it in so you don't get any fallout, since we did do the under eyes and our foundation already. And I did talk about it in that video where I switched up my makeup routine. For lashes, my new fave, these are in the style Milan from Sumptuous Beauty. Got those drying with my, what glue do I use? The Kiss Glue. The Kiss Glue with the little brush applicator. So those are drying. I'm just going with L'Oreal Telescopic just to mascara, or you know, to get a little bit of coat of mascara on my lashes. Then I'm going in and bronzing with the Becca bronzer. I think it's in Sunlit bronzer or Bronzed Bondi, one of the two. I'll have everything linked down below for you guys. Just doing a little bit of nose contour. I don't know what I'm doing with nose contour, but I did my best. You know, I just did my best. I literally don't like to keep the powder on because I have like more dry skin, so I pretty much just put it on and wipe it away. And then I'm going in with my Milani Baked Blush, and I'm going to pop that on my cheekbones. If you guys are new to my channel, I love Milani products, and especially their baked blushes. I don't like a lot of shimmer in my blushes, but this has just like a nice sheen and luminosity to them. I have them like every shade. Luminoso is like the one that was like really that everybody knows about. But I don't know which one I used. I have to link it down below for you guys. Then I just bake underneath just because I always bring everything down way too low. So I just clean it up, and like I said, I don't like to keep my bake on too long. I'll just go straight in with a brush and wipe it away. Now my lashes are ready to put on, so I'm just going to plop those on. Make sure if you guys are trying to put lashes on, you just let that glue get a little bit tacky. You don't ever want to go in straight away after you apply the glue. I just love these lashes. They're like so flirtatious and wispy, and I love them. Next, just going in tight lining my Rodial, I think that's how you say it, eyeliner, and I hate doing that. And just to get a little bit more, just to cover up a little bit of the like glue, I just go with my Physicians Formula Eye Booster liner. And then just that top shade there, it's just like a highlight shade. I'm just highlighting my brow bone. And then now I'm going to go in and set my, my brows. I like to do that after I highlight my brow bone. Just setting everything in place, my Milani Make It Last. This is the matte finish spray. If you guys are new here, love, love, love their finishing sprays. Definitely a great affordable one if you're looking for one. And then to highlight, going in with my Maybelline Master Chrome. I think this is in Rose Molten Gold or Molten Rose Gold. And I like it because the tone I feel like goes with the eye makeup. But like, look how pretty it is. And I suggest just using a sponge. I feel like it really presses it into the skin. So that's just a nice tip that I like to always do. And then just going back in with the L'Oreal Telescopic just to coat my bottom lashes. I'm not going too heavy. I just, like I said, wanted this to be a little bit more of a softer look. Taking a little bit more of that highlighter, and got to get them shoulders. Even though I have a sweater on after I film this, you know, for the sake of the video, just wanted some some glow on my shoulders. Then I'm just popping a little bit more in the inner corner too, just to open and brighten the inner corner of the eye. And you guys know I love these Master Chromes from the drugstore. Believe Beauty Lip Liner, definitely a great lip liner. So creamy. I wish and I hope they expand their shade range because they don't have too many. And then right here, I went in with a, I think this was an Ofra lip shade, and I was like, no, not what I was looking for. So I wanted to wipe that off, and just I apply a little bit more of that Believe Beauty lip liner. Then I went in with Maybelline Lust for Blush. I thought this would be a perfect shade. Used to use it all the time, as you can see there. I probably have to buy a new one soon. I love the formula on these Maybelline lipsticks, but this was more the shade I was going for. I just feel like it a little bit more softer and complements the eye makeup really well. So I'm loving that. And yeah, that's it, you guys. I really hope you enjoyed this. Let me know what your thoughts are on the backdrop. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.